Achieving fluency in English. On Monday, the discussion in class shifted to the topic of achieving fluency in English, a goal many learners aim for but often misunderstand. Our teacher began by clarifying a crucial point. Fluency is not about speaking as quickly as possible or avoiding mistakes entirely. Instead, fluency means speaking smoothly, without long pauses or hesitation. It's about being able to express yourself clearly and comfortably, even if your speech isn't perfect. To help us better understand, she compared learning to speak fluently to playing a musical instrument. Just as musicians need to practice consistently to refine their skills, language learners must do the same to build the necessary connection between their brain and the muscles used for speech. This connection improves over time with practice, allowing words to flow more easily and naturally. The more we speak, the less we have to pause and think about each word or sentence. Interestingly, the teacher pointed out that fluency is not solely dependent on having a large vocabulary. In fact, some people who know fewer words can speak more fluently than others who have a wider range of vocabulary but lack regular speaking practice. This shows that fluency is more about effective communication than about knowing every possible word. The real secret lies in practicing consistently. The teacher strongly recommended that we practice speaking English for at least 30 minutes a day. This doesn't have to be with a language partner or in a formal setting. There are many ways to practice. One effective technique she mentioned was thinking aloud. When you're alone, you can describe your thoughts, narrate what you're doing, or even talk through ideas as if you're explaining them to someone else. This helps train your mind to think in English and prepares you to speak more fluently in real conversations. For those who have access to language partners or native speakers, engaging in conversations is invaluable. However, even without a speaking partner, we can still make great progress. Recording yourself speaking and listening back to the recordings can help you identify areas where you tend to pause or struggle, and give you a chance to improve. The teacher's advice was practical and empowering, shifting our mindset from obsessing over vocabulary size to focusing on regular speaking practice. She reminded us that fluency is not achieved overnight but through steady, consistent effort. By making speaking practice a daily habit, we can all take significant steps toward becoming fluent English speakers. Whether you're talking to a friend, practicing in front of a mirror, or thinking aloud while walking down the street, every bit of practice brings you closer to fluency. This approach emphasizes the process, not the destination. The key takeaway is that fluency isn't something magical or unattainable. It's the result of ongoing practice and persistence. With that mindset, anyone can achieve fluency by making small, steady improvements each day. Thank you for watching. If you're new, please make sure to subscribe for more parts of my learning journey. This is the 15th part of my experience in London, and you can watch the full playlist with the 14 parts I've already uploaded. Don't miss out. Keep learning with me.